Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change page color in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word document, and to change the page color, I'm going to add a rectangle shape to this document. So I'm going to go to the insert menu and then select shape, and I'm going to choose this rectangle, and I'm going to add rectangle to this page because I want to change the color of this page. Okay, you can adjust the size like this according to the size of the page. Okay, and then you can change the color. You can choose the color you want to apply to your page, and I'm going to select for example this one. Okay, then you can right click on the rectangle, then go to send to back, and you're going to select send behind text. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now the page color has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change page color in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.